Welcome back. So as you can see now, we are done adding our water to it, and this is it. This is what we have now. So we have added all our water to it, 9 liters. So now we are coming to add our booster liquid. And you remember, Abby, you remember what it does. It makes the liquid soap forms. So we are adding 60 ml. You can use your spoon to measure, but I'm using this. This is the cup of the medicine. That's a syrup. 1 is 10. So I'll measure 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you stir it gently. The next chemical to add is a thickener. We are adding 50. So 5 of this. Then you stir. So you realize that after stirring it, the thickener, if you can notice it, it has become thick. If you are holding the ladle, you will feel it that it has become very, very thick as you are stirring the thickener inside. Very, very thick. So our next chemical to add is our preservative. We are adding 10 ml. Then we add our perfume. You can as well mix 2 or 3 perfume together to get your measurement, or you can use only one type of perfume to do it. It is smelling nice already. This liquid soap forms very well. It removes all dirt. And the last to add is your color, it's your color. And the color, there's no measurement because some prefer it very deep or very light. It all depends on you. So you just pour in just a little. Then you stir to see if it is okay for you. If not, you keep on adding to the desired color that you want. Wow, smelling nice. I think it is okay for me. So if you want to dip, you can add more, but it is okay. We are done with our liquid soap, so you have to put it down. You cover it for it to settle so that it will be clear like the liquid soap that you know on the market. So if you do it in the morning, later in the day, you realize that it has been settled down, then you can package them and sell or put it down to use. At times, when it's settled down, it will become too thick. If the thickness is okay for you, fine. But if not, you can dilute it with a little water. Then you stir it. If it's okay, fine. We are done with our liquid soap. I'll be waiting for yours. See ya.